7 Crucial Social Media Marketing Mistakes to Avoid. However crowded the marketplace becomes, every marketer hopes to get their brand out there in front of as many eyeballs as possible. No wonder many love to leverage the power of social media. In an attempt to stand out in these networks, it is not unusual for marketers to make some mistakes. Social media users can be unforgiving. Keep making the same mistake and you will see your following dwindle by the day. The following are 7 social media marketing mistakes that every marketer should avoid. 1. Not having a social media marketing plan. Creating a social media marketing plan might seem like an obvious thing to do, yet many companies fail to do so. They fall into the trap of just posting things on social media without any real plan in place. You should take social media marketing with the same seriousness that you do as with any other marketing effort. Come up with a list of specific objectives you want to achieve, then create a budget and an easy-to-follow plan of action. This should clearly outline what you hope to achieve, how you intend to measure your results, and the number of resources you might need. 2. Not defining your target audience. Not everyone on social media will fit your brand. Defining your target audience will let you concentrate your social media marketing efforts on people who are genuinely interested in your product. However hard you work, if you do not know your audience, you will record lackluster results. 3. Failing to engage in conversations. It doesn't matter how many updates you add to your social media channels, if no one comments or shares them, it is all a waste of time. That is why you should take time to create content that people want to engage with, content that elicits conversations. If your updates get no reactions, perhaps it is time for you to think long and hard about the social media marketing approach that you have taken. And when you finally get your audience to react to your updates, be sure to engage back. A conversation is a two-way street. Respond to comments even when they are negative. And remember to keep it cool, be polite and friendly. It is important to add that while it is good to encourage your followers to engage with your brand in conversation on social media, you must ensure that these conversations are positive engagements. Negative conversations about your brand will only damage your reputation. 4. Relying too much on automation. Automation can be a lifesaver. Yet, if you become too dependent on automation, you might lose the human touch around which your brand persona thrives. 5. Promoting yourself a lot. To stand out on social media, you must be sociable. If all you do is promote your content, many social media users will grow a disliking for your brand. Instead of increasing your following, you will watch it dwindle like a candle in the sun. Promoting your brand is important, but be subtle about it. 6. Not tracking analytics. Your strategy book should be a living document. You have to keep improving it. But for you to do this, you must be in a position to see the impact of your past actions. Insights into what you have done in the past and the results you got out of it will help you plan for the future. Find a good analytics tool and assess your performance. By tracking your analytics, you will be better placed to create targeted marketing strategies that will improve the quality of your brand following. Monitor customer engagement, conversions, buying trends, and your growing influence in your e-commerce niche on social media. 7. Treating all social media platforms the same. Each social media platform is unique. You must learn the language of each platform so that you can speak to the users in a language that they will understand. Just the same way you can't speak Norwegian in China, you must speak the same language as the users of the social networking site on which you intend to grow your brand. Seek to understand how each social media platform works so that you can make the most of the opportunities therein. When you learn to see each social media platform as an entity on its own with its unique opportunities, you will start to discover brand new ways to leverage these opportunities to grow your business or increase its exposure.